This microscope delivers a wide magnification range from classroom level to serious lab work, making it genuinely versatile for students and hobbyists who want room to grow. The binocular head is comfortable for extended sessions with smooth interpupillary and diopter adjustments that make it easy to get both eyes perfectly focused. Its bright, cool running LED illumination and adjustable Abbe condenser provide clear contrast on thin tissue sections, pond water, and stained slides without overheating live samples. The double-layer mechanical stage feels precise and secure, allowing fine control of slide position so you can reliably relocate tiny details on a specimen. Spring-loaded, higher-power objectives and the oil immersion lens give sharp, detailed views at the upper magnifications while helping protect your slides from accidental contact. The solid metal frame and enamel finish give the instrument a reassuringly sturdy, lab-grade feel that stands up well to frequent use and student handling.